They've been suppressing our true power. Recent studies backed by credited scientific institutions have proven that sound has the power to heal. Specific vibrations resonating at specific frequencies can transform your mind, body, and soul. This ancient wisdom known as sound healing has been practiced for centuries, from Tibetan singing bowls to the chanting of sacred mantras. But it gets even deeper. In our past, there was a world where advanced civilizations once thrived, using sound as a primary tool for healing and technology. A civilization that was suppressed for existing with technologies far beyond our current understanding. Tartaria was, and possibly still is, a vast empire who built architectural marvels and possessed profound spiritual knowledge. This includes the use of sound for healing and the manifestation of matter. They intricately designed massive bells and incorporated them into their structures. These bells resonated through the air, harmonizing the environment, healing ailments, and even influencing the weather. During the early 1900s, the bells were destroyed under the guise that the world was in a metal shortage due to the world wars. But many go as far as to say that these bells were intentionally disposed of. Humanity vibrating at a higher frequency with the potential to unlock the true power within was a risk they were not willing to take.